the red and green macaw are also known as green-winged macaw. Macaws are widespread in the forest, in open woodlands of northern and central South America. And there you go, folks. Our show has officially started. How about a round of applause for our flag-raising bird band?
Doon na ako
Okay, so maayong hapon sa tanan. Hep hep! Hooray! Okay, once again, may hapon sa tanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's Amphitheater. By the way, my name is PJ. I'm going to be your host for this afternoon. Now, our next featured birds are just like any married couples, monogamous, meaning they only have one partner their entire lifetime. Reads your mental incident, but as any couples with a test in our relationships, there always be battles. Now, let's meet our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw, Blue and Azul. So today they will battle it over who is the best in the basketball game. Okay, so let's wait for lovely birds. But before we continue, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now all the boys will cheer for blue. Come on boys, say go blue, go blue. And all the girls will cheer for Azul. Come on girls, say go Azul, go Azul. Okay, so are you guys ready for the basketball game? I can hear you. Are you guys ready? Okay, so birds ready, trainers ready. Let's set, go. Now here comes both birds to the table. First purple, both birds. Now second purple, both birds. And the last ball, who's gonna win? Who is this game? That's alright. Azul so trainer beating. You guys lose this game. What can you say?
Hold it, Gian. Let's do another race.
Okay, hold it, Gian. They want another game.
Are you sure about that? You want Azul to lose again? Well, this time I guarantee you Azul and I will win. Confident now.
Nak.
So what game do you have in mind?
Yeah, what game by the way?
How about let's do a ring race?
So can you explain to us
Did
what
you see
is
it?
the ring race?
Did you see it?
The first bird who can drop all three rings into the hole, the fastest is the one.
Yes.
It's a ring race.
Okay, so a ring race each of the Okay, now remember that boys already got 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Azul to win this time. And we're gonna do it for our ring race.
Oh, that's enough, that's enough, that's enough.
Okay, so are you guys ready for the second round? Okay, so birds ready, trainers ready, get set, go! Now here comes both birds and same old first ring for blue. Now here comes it. Hey, what is this? Azul picks up, he picks at the same time. What a clever play by the girls. Trainer Gian, did you see that? Three wings at the same time. What can you say?
What was that, trainer? But you guys nearly cheated.
Oh, did you guys cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
Okay, so is it true that the girls are more wiser than the boys? How about a round of applause for a beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw, Blue and Azul. Okay guys, now this time I need an adult volunteer with a money bill. I need a volunteer with a money bill. Just raise your hand and I'll choose. 20, 50, 100, any bills will do. Okay, you sir, please come join me here in the front and bring with you your money bill. So guys, as you'll notice, most of our birds in the show are parrots. It's because parrots are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. They have a good memory and can remember even the smallest and slightest things.
Ah, okay.
Okay, sir, first of all, what's your name, please? Andy. How about a round of applause for volunteer, Mr. Andy? Okay, sir, can you just stand right here? Now face towards me and extend your left arm sideways like this. Okay, good. Now, as I be putting the money between your fingers. Now, sir, no matter what happens, don't move or swing your arm. Okay, steady lang. Bahala mo kinonsa. Now, do you have any idea what will So I'll give you another hint. A crocodile will jump over that water and get the money. Is that okay with you, sir? Ready na ba the crocodile? Okay na ka, sir?
Yes, and let's do it.
Let's do it. Oh, okay, game sister, no? No joke right now, sir. Now here comes our money bird blue. Our money bird blue can detect